Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to make payment for Fairstone. So first step is choose a payment method, online through Fairstone websites or through your bank's online bill payment system or in person at a Fairstone branch. Step 2. Access the payment platform. For online payments, go to Fairstone's website and log into your account. For bank payments, log into your online banking platform. Now for in-person payments, locate and visit the nearest Fairstone branch. Step 3. Select Fairstone as the payee. In your payment platform, go to the bill payment section, search for Fairstone, and select it as the payee. Step 4. Enter your account details. Input your Fairstone account number, which you can find on your loan statement or online account. Step 5. Payment amount and date. Specify the amount you want to pay and choose the payment date, either immediate or scheduled for a future date. Last step, confirm and complete the payment. Double check all details for accuracy. Confirm and submit the payment. For in-person payments, get a receipt as a proof of payment. And that's basically it.